Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change voice on Waze. Waze allows you to customize the voice that gives you driving direction, making navigation more personal and easier to follow. To begin, open Waze app. And click on the three dot on the top left. Go to Settings and just click on Voice and Sound. From here, you can choose on the menu Voice and just choose any voice that you like. And just click on Change, and it will be changed automatically. You can also use custom voice. Just click on New Voice, click on OK. And from here, you can use your own voice as the custom. Just click on this and click on the microphone and just read the text that is displayed in the screen, and your voice will be saved and you can use it for your personal use, making navigation more personal and easier to follow. Once you have made your selection, go back to a map screen, and Waze will now guide you using the new voice that you selected. You can return to this menu anytime if you want to switch voices again. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.